Welcome back to Body and Mind. Now, they say that it's inner beauty and well-being that should take precedence. But ladies, let me honestly ask you, can you completely ignore the omnipresent exterior? I don't think so. So today I'll be exploring a holistic approach towards anti-aging to keep the skin looking skin-sational. I'm now joined by the head of the beauty department in VLCC, who's going to tell us how to keep the skin looking youthful without going under the knife. Monique, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much.
And you look very beautiful yourself.
Thank you, so do you.
Thank you. Now, Monique, before we talk about anti-aging and skin conditions, I want to know a little bit about VLCC and what are the different sort of beauty treatments that you offer.
Okay. So with VLCC, our main focus is actually to have wellness in all of our treatments. So for facial treatments, we look for a lot of ingredients that's going to be natural on the skin, that's going to be easily taken and absorbed by the skin as well.
Okay. I mean, I understand that you have a very holistic and organic approach towards all your treatments, so there is no going under the knife over here.
No, not at all.
All right. Now,
unless it's with our dermatologist, but otherwise.
All right. Okay. Now, in this segment, we really want to know a little bit about anti-aging. Now, aging is inevitable, as we discussed earlier, and everybody wants to look at least 10 years younger. First of all, tell me what causes aging?
Aging is a very natural process, okay? So from the minute you're born, it starts already, unfortunately. So we need to think of ways that we can counteract that by products that we're using. So the services that we offer, we focus on a natural way of reducing that aging process, okay? So we want to reduce the aging of the skin, you know, any signs and symptoms that show, we want to reduce that as well.
And I believe one of the more popular treatments that you offer here at VLCC is the stem cell or the stem youth treatment for anti-aging. Tell us what that is.
Stem youth is actually specifically for aging. So it counteracts the aging effect and it helps to regenerate the skin from inside. So usually with aging, that process slows down. So with this treatment, we will help speed up the process again. And we will also use a lot of different ingredients that will help to counteract that process.
So when you say stem cells, what stem cells are you using?
The stem cells actually a natural component of the body, okay? And this has different functions as well. So with a stem cell, we actually don't use it from the human body. We get it from a plant. We actually get it from a Swiss apple.
Oh, wow.
Okay? So this stem cell will actually penetrate very deep into the skin, much more than any normal products that you apply, because it's very similar to the structure of your own skin. So it penetrates very deeply and then it helps to replenish the skin.
Okay. Now, since I've never done this treatment, I'm a bit clueless about it. When you explain it, I'm thinking you're just going to embed stem cells and penetrate it into the client's skin, but no, that's not how it's done. Tell us a little bit about the different steps involved.
So the steps, we usually start with, like any facial treatment, with microdermabrasion. So this is peeling of the dead layers of the skin. And then after that, we will start using all of the cocktails of vitamins and minerals on the skin, which will then penetrate much better after exfoliating. And then we use an ampule, which has got firming complex, okay, and that you will instantly feel the tightening of the skin. After that, we use two different types of masks, which will also help that process. It's a gold mask. So that will also help together with the other ingredients for the effects to firm out lines and wrinkles, to plump up the skin, to deeply hydrate the skin as well.
So it's pretty much like a facial, right?
It's a very relaxing facial.
Okay, so what's the duration of the treatment?
It's 1.5 hours.
Wow, 1.5 hours.
Lots of massage being done, yes.
All right. Would you say that, because I mean, different women, different skin conditions, is this a treatment that suits all skin types?
It's very safe, very effective for all skin types. Any skin condition can do this. Yeah.
Now, since this is an anti-aging treatment, I'm sure there's a minimum age limit for women who want to undergo this treatment.
Really, like I said, your skin starts aging at a very young age. So when you start seeing the signs of aging, I would definitely recommend to start doing these anti-aging facials like STEM Youth.
Okay, and is there any sort of post-treatment skin routine you need to follow, or can you just get on with your life as it is?
Well, you'll see results after the first session. But if, like with any facial treatment, your skin renews all the time. So you need to, if you want to have really great skin, you have to keep looking after it. So we recommend you to come in for a couple of treatments, which will maintain that healthy glow in the skin. And also, obviously, we have, from the same range, we have home products that can also help to maintain that if you want to do that.
Okay, so you would recommend a minimum of at least 2 sessions with this one?
Minimum, I would say 4.
Right, now aging, as we all know, is inevitable, but here's a great way to keep the skin looking nice, fresh and youthful without going through extreme invasive surgeries. Monique, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much.
While we cannot stop signs of aging, we can certainly slow it down. But there's no slowing down in our quest for fitness, so join me again next week for more hot topics for a healthy body and happy mind.